the market started on a weak note. It remained low through the day, testing the 27,500 mark in early trade, but then staying low. The Sensex ended 115 points lower at 26,374, and the Nifty ended 35 points lower at 8,104. Some of the sectors which were in demand today was the oil and gas sector, where we saw some kind of buying happening in Reliance and GAIL. In pharma, we saw Lupin and Cipla being some of the positive, closing in the positive, and while other sectors were closed in the red. Somit is going to take us through some of the gainers and losers on the Nifty as well as on the mid cap front. Somit.
Yeah, on the Nifty 50 today, the advance decline ratio was 33:18. We had GAIL India as the top gainer, gaining close to 3%. As we see, the crude oil prices rising. Then we had Tata Power, Grasim, and ICICI gaining close to 0.5 to 1%. On the pharma side, we had Aurobindo Pharma, Cipla, and Lupin gaining close to 0.3 to 1%. Now, Aurobindo Pharma snapped a 3-day losing streak. Then we had Lupin, who ended in green after it ended 6 sessions in red. On the losers side, we had Bharti Infratel losing close to 3%. Asian Paints lost close to 2% after it ended after it ended 3 days in red. Then we had Sun Pharma, who lost close to 2.3% after ending 3 sessions in red. We had Maruti Suzuki Bosch losing close to 1 to 2%. Then we had Ultratech Cement, who has been in red for 8 straight sessions now, and it ended today 2.2% lower. On the mid cap side, we had Alok Industries, which was the top gainer today, gaining as it locked an upper circuit today. The stock has been up for the last 3 sessions. We also had Gujarat State Fertilizers, MTNL, Sonata Software. Sonata Software also touched its 52-week high today. Jaicorp again close to 8%. On the losers side, we had Swan Energy losing close to 18.5%. The stock snapped its 3-day winning streak today. TV Today Network lost around 6.7%, while Oberoi went down by 6%. Manappuram Finance and Bharat Financials were the two NBFCs which lost close to 6% today. On the loser side, we also had Z-Learn, which started the day at a 6%, started the day at 6% higher note, but then as we saw profit booking, the stock closed 4% lower.
There was another big listing which happened, Lotus Labs. What happened to Lotus Labs?
Lotus Labs got listed at a 15% premium to its issue price. The issue was subscribed 4.5 times. At the end, the stock closed 12% higher at 480 per share.
Okay, thanks, Sumit. We have Nikki, who is coming to us with an update on the rupee and bond market. What happened to the rupee as of now?
Okay, so rupee, as we can see for the day, it started on a weak note. It did gather some steam. It did recoup loss, but again, it's trading around its previous close, or probably lower than that, at 67.80 per dollar. That we can see the currency is quite weak on increased demand of American greenback, and as we see, the currency is again moved higher for the day. Well, in terms of bond yields remain pretty much unchanged at 6.50 level that we are seeing here. And it's the same as what we saw yesterday. There is no positive trigger which is really driving the markets higher. Well,
the yields are pretty much flat through the day. That's what Nikki is saying. That's all for the market wrap. Keep on watching Bloomberg Quint.